Hello everyone, today we will discuss about warehouse management system. Implementing a warehouse management system is a step toward transforming your warehouse operations. WMS assists with various warehouse operations from order packing and shipment to stock replenishment. Let us discuss the key features of the WMS. Manage the inventory in batches by different parameters such as color, type, ingredients, and usability. Prioritize distribution of stock such as the delivery of perishable goods and products with near expiry. Easily manage customer returns from reverse logistics to managing loyalty points. Streamline shipment processes such as generating a bill of landing and automated shipment notifications. Evaluate labor performance, measure it with KPIs, and take steps to reduce inefficiency. Now, let us discuss the key benefits a warehouse management system offers. WMS helps you fix inventory discrepancies and increase your volume handling capability. Keep a log of early expiring items and sell them first to mitigate the risk of inventory obsolescence. WMS empowers you with credible inventory forecasts to optimize inventory levels and avoid stockouts. Optimize warehouse storage for efficiency and avoid over and understocking. Keep a complete record of your inventory along with its serial number, batch code, and lot number. Let us have a look at the types of warehouse management systems. It is an independent system that assists you with inventory tracking, order retrieval, packing and shipping. Take advantage of consolidated reports and dashboards through integration with an ERP-integrated WMS. It is located on the vendor's server and has no upfront costs, which makes it a cost-effective alternative. It is a great tool for reducing operational time and costs and fulfilling customer orders on time. WMS is used across multiple industries to streamline operations and improve productivity.